Today is Wednesday, March 31st, 2021, right here at the Salem, Missouri Sonic. It is, right now, it is 8:22 p.m. 8:22 p.m. and today is Wednesday, March 31st, 2021. And right now, I'm at the Salem, Missouri Sonic, eating me a large chocolate blizzard. This is a large chocolate blizzard I'm eating right now. I'm Kristina Marie Bell speaking, right here at the Salem, Missouri Sonic. And right now, it is 8:23 p.m. 8:23 p.m. I'm eating me a large chocolate blizzard on Wednesday, and today is Wednesday, March 31st, 2021. I'm right here at the Salem, Missouri Sonic. I'm eating me a large chocolate blizzard, or large chocolate blizzard. Or Sonic. It's a Sonic blizzard, because that's how I Sonic. I'm Kristina Marie Bell speaking, and today is Wednesday, March 31st, 2021, right here at the Salem, Missouri Sonic. It is 8:25 p.m. now. It is right now 8:25 p.m. 8:25 p.m. And right now, I'm just having me a large chocolate Sonic blizzard. A chocolate Sonic blizzard. A large blizzard. It is yummy, yummy, yummy. That's how we Sonic. That's how we Sonic. Sonic. Bye, YouTube fans. Bye, YouTube fans. Bye, YouTube fans. Bye, bye, bye.